Hey guys, what's up? I'm here with another update on A44. Late last year, I started working on this edit full time. So, yeah, I kind of neglected my YouTube channel and I've been working on it just about every single day since because I knew I needed to get this done and it seemed like never ending this project. Like I would never see the end of working on this because it just seemed so intense, so much. I finally got the rough edit done. I gave you guys that update back in late March. And now I got the final edit done. So I went over it so many times and I cut scenes that I didn't want to cut, but like I knew I probably should. And I shared it with my two producers, and we would all watch the movie over and over, and we would make notes on what we thought would make it better, cutting certain things or rearranging. And I've watched it so many times now. I don't want to watch it anymore. But every time I did, I found something new that I could cut out of there until the last time I'm like, all right, it looks good to me. I don't really see anything else I need to do. So that was it. That was the final cut. And I locked it in and sent the audio over to my sound guy because I'm not doing the sound on my own. And he will remaster the sound. Basically, he's going to do sound design. When you watch movies, you hear like the sound of clothing, you hear movement, breathing. Outside, you might hear crickets at night, that kind of thing. And then he's going to do it in surround sound and give it back to me. So that's going to link up with what I have, which means I can't like edit anything else in the timeline. I might be able to put like certain overlays over certain things, but I can't like cut that timeline down anymore. That's why it's locked in. In the meantime, I'm going to be working on the visual effects. So I used to do this kind of stuff when I first started the channel, but then I kind of got out of it and I haven't really touched it since. So just recently I'm trying to like relearn it all and, I'm doing it myself. So an example, this is a zombie movie, so it's probably not far-fetched that there's going to be zombies in it. So one of the things that I've been doing is making people's eyes zombie eyes. In post-production, so like CGI. And there's a few other things I need to do, not too much. It's not too intense. It's not very difficult, so I can do it all on my own. And when that's done, I will put like color correcting. So I need to basically make sure all the scenes kind of match up and are consistent throughout. And then I'll do a color grade, making the overall, feel of the movie, the look of the movie. So then we'll have great audio, great looking visuals. And then the music. The music I'm still trying to get a couple songs that I really like, and I'm hoping to get them. I'll be very happy, and I hope some of you guys will be very happy as well. And then the credits. I got to put the credits in the movie. And then when all that's done, I will be able to cut a trailer. I could probably cut a trailer before that, but I'm going to cut a trailer at some point, and you guys will see it first. And then shortly after that, like it'll be available for the rest of the world to see, whoever wants to see it. And that's where we are right now with the update of A44. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. It can't come soon enough, but we're getting there, and I'll give you more updates as they come. So see you next time.